Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to register on BingX and use referral codes to maximize your rewards. If you're a beginner looking to create an account on BingX, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll guide you through the registration process and show you how to use BingX referral codes to get amazing bonuses. Let's dive in.
BingX is a top-tier cryptocurrency exchange known for its user-friendly interface and a wide array of trading options. Whether you're interested in spot trading, futures trading, or copy trading, BingX has something for everyone. It's an excellent platform for beginners who are just starting their trading journey. Registering on BingX comes with numerous benefits. For new users, there are special sign-up bonuses and rewards that can significantly enhance your trading experience. By using a BingX referral code during the registration process, you can unlock additional bonuses such as reduced trading fees, extra deposit bonuses, and other great rewards. Let's get started with the registration process. Follow these simple steps to create your account and claim your new user bonus. 1. Visit the BingX website. Go to the BingX official website. You can do this on your computer or mobile device. 2. Click on the Register button. On the home page, you'll find the Sign Up button. Click on it to begin the registration process. 3. Fill in your details. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and confirm your password. Make sure to use a valid email address, as you will need to verify it later. 4. Enter a BingX referral code. If you have a BingX referral code, this is where you'll enter it. Using a referral code like the best BingX referral code will ensure you receive the maximum possible bonus. If you don't have one, you can often find them online or through affiliate programs. 5. Agree to the terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions, and if you agree, check the box to proceed. 6. Complete the verification. BingX will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox, open the email, and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, it's time to claim your new user bonus. Here's how. 1. Log in to your account. Use your email and password to log into your new BingX account. 2. Go to the bonus section. Navigate to the bonus or reward section of the dashboard. 3. Enter any bonus codes. If you have additional BingX bonus codes, you can enter them here to unlock more rewards. 4. Complete any required actions. Some bonuses may require you to complete specific actions, like making a deposit or completing a certain number of trades. Follow the instructions to ensure you receive your bonuses. As a beginner, here are some tips to get you started on BingX. 1. Explore the platform. Take some time to explore the BingX platform. Familiarize yourself with the different sections, such as spot trading, futures trading, and copy trading. 2. Start with small trades. If you're new to trading, start with small amounts to get a feel for how the market works and how trades are executed on BingX. 3. Use copy trading. BingX offers a copy trading feature that allows you to follow and copy the trades of experienced traders. This is a great way to learn and potentially earn profits without having to make all the decisions yourself. 4. Take advantage of BingX affiliate program. If you enjoy using BingX, consider joining the BingX affiliate program. You can earn commissions by referring others to the platform using your unique referral link. That's it for today's tutorial on how to register on BingX and get the best new user bonuses using referral codes. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more tutorials and updates. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading on BingX.